Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful Trix Mini crisp bars. Here are the ingredients for Trix Minis crisp bars, or fruity crisp bars, or squares, but I'm gonna make them bars. So I had these that my daughter liked them very much as cereals, but then she didn't eat them anymore, so I didn't know what to do with it. So I'm gonna make those crisp bars. So I have 4 cups of those mini fruits here, and unsalted butter, some vanilla extract, marshmallows of course, and I have a pan. I'm going to put the butter in there, get it melted or browned a little before I add my other ingredients, and I'll show you. Here I have about 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, melted of course, and I'm gonna put in a medium high, just get it melted, and a little bit, maybe to get a little bit of brown before I add my marshmallows. So I have about 4 cups of marshmallows here. So I'm just gonna wait for my butter to get just a little bit brown. It's just gonna give it that little bit of nice flavor. So not too brown, just a little, as you can see. See, it's getting a little brown. You see that? It's not white anymore, and it's turning brown. Now I'm gonna add the marshmallows, and I'll just stir that until that gets melted. I'm going to stir it until it gets all melted, and then I'm gonna add maybe a tablespoon of vanilla extract before I add the rice. So here it looks, it's all melted, and I added the vanilla tablespoon. Now I'm gonna add my turkey. I'm just gonna give it a good stir, and I'll show you. Here's how it looks, and I'm going to pour it into this tray and then press it down. So here it is. With the help of the little saran wrap, I just put on and press it by hand, and then I wanted to let it get cold before I cut it. Here, that's how it looks like. I just cut them into little lines, as you can see here, and then I just cut it in the middle, made them little bars. And also, it doesn't have a lot of marshmallow, and I didn't add too much marshmallows, but you can always add as much marshmallows as you like. I'm gonna take them out and show you how it looks. That's how they look, and they're all done. And try making them, these kind of cereals. If your kids don't like them, you can make them into these little treats. They would love to have them, and even adult would like them. So try on making them, and I hope you enjoy making them and eating them. Thanks for watching.